Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get student funding. First, understand the different types of financial aid, including grants, scholarships, work-study, and loans. Next, complete the free application for Federal Student Aid, or FAFSA, as soon as possible after it becomes available. This form is crucial for determining your eligibility for federal and state aid programs. Once your FAFSA is submitted, explore all your aid options. Federal aid includes Pell Grants and Stafford loans. Many states also offer their own grant programs. Don't forget to check with your chosen college for institutional scholarships and grants. Additionally, work-study programs can provide valuable income and experience while you study. Scholarships and grants are fantastic because they don't need to be repaid. Use online search engines and your school's financial aid office to find opportunities. Many scholarships require essays, so take your time crafting a strong personal statement. Remember to apply for as many as you qualify for, paying close attention to all deadlines. Finally, effectively manage the funding you receive. If you take out student loans, understand their interest rates and repayment terms. Create a realistic budget to cover tuition, books, and living costs. Remember that financial aid is typically awarded annually, so you'll need to reapply for assistance each academic year to continue receiving support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.